Assalamualaikum. So this is our group discussion from group 9 and our topic is industrial relation. And I will introduce our group member. My name is Sajida Atia. My metric number is 303235. I am as HR Digital Solution Officer.
Hello, my name is Yarisa Firdausaniski. My metric number is 302995 and here I am as HR Manager.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Anisaifa binti Hamizi. My metric number is 305268 and I am as HR Assistant. Hi, my name is Azura Rahma Mubarak and my metric number is 303229 and here I am as Employee Relation Officer.
Hey everyone, my name is Shamila M. Muniratinam and my metric number is 305 and 749 and I'm here as Human Resource Data Analytics.
Hi, my name is Alia Batrisha binti Hanapia. My metric number is 306564 and here I am as HR Executive. That's all, thank you.
Hello everyone, thanks for being here. As you all know, our company has been growing so fast and with growth comes some few challenges. Lately, some employees have been saying their voice aren't being heard and there have been a few misunderstandings between staff and management. So, I thought we should sit down together and talk about how industrial relation can help us improve things. Before we get into solutions, maybe we can start with the basics. What we do actually mean with the talk about industrial relations? Anyone want to jump in?
Yes, I want to. I can answer that. So, industrial relations or IR is basically the relationship between employers and the employees. And not just that, it also includes even the government as well.
Right, it's not only the boss and the staff, it's the whole system.
Exactly, and IR is really about how we handle negotiation, how we solve disputes, and how we maintain fairness in the workplace. It works actually on two levels. The first one is the individual level. For example, an employee dealing directly with a supervisor on any issues like performance evaluation or on the contract terms. Then we have the second level, which is the collective level. This level is where unions or employee representatives get involved in things like collective bargaining or conciliation or arbitration.
Yeah, let's not forget about the government. They play a huge role by setting our labor laws. Also, without that legal framework, things could get really messy.
Yeah, I do agree with her because labor laws plays a crucial role in industrial relation.
Absolutely, the laws help protect both sides. Alright, so now that we understand that IR is, why is it important for our employees?
Okay, I'll take that one. One major benefit is fairness and job security. When employees know there are rules protecting them from unfair dismissal or discrimination, they feel safer.
Yes, that's very makes sense because no one wants to work somewhere they feel insecure.
Exactly. And when they feel secure, morale goes up, and loyalty also. They're more likely to stay long term. And the second benefit is that IR gives employee a voice. They have places to express concerns, like through union reps, grievance procedures, and or even simple team meetings.
And honestly speaking, some of our issues lately come from our own employees, and not knowing how to express their concerns.
That's true. We've had several cases where small issues become big just because no one spoke up earlier.
Exactly. If employees feel heard, everything becomes smoother.
Great points. Maybe we can continue with the next two benefits.
Sure. Another benefit is that IR reduces workplace conflict. When employees know there's a fair process for handling grievances, they won't jump straight into argument, threat, or worse, strike.
Yeah, I remember last year when that misunderstanding almost turned into a big issue. We definitely need a clearer processes.
Exactly, and the four benefits is teamwork and a healthy work environment. When a communication is open, employee trusts us more, and that leads to a better cooperation and better productivity.
Right. A healthy work environment is the foundation of everything. If the people feel respect and comfortable, performance naturally improves.
Yeah. And from what we have seen, the team that communicate the most end up having the least problem.
Okay, now let's move to the new trends. Since our company wants to modernize, this is especially relevant to us. Who want to start?
I can. So, one huge trend right now is digitalization of IR. Companies are using online complaint system, digital HR forms, automate reminders, and even AI to handle documentation.
Wow, honestly, that is a good idea. That will help us. Some of employees still complain we take too long to reply.
Exactly, digital system make things faster and clearer. Employees can track their issue instead of guessing. Another trend is multi-channel communication. Before this, employees mostly rely on union, but now companies use mobile apps, internal messaging platforms, surveys, suggestion boxes, employees consult, everything.
Okay, right. Because not everyone feels comfortable speaking up in a big meeting, right?
True, and
Yeah.
prefer to speak up in the meeting.
Exactly. Multi-channel communication makes it easier for employees to share concern early before things explode.
Okay, that's great. And what about the third trend?
Okay, so the third major trend is data-driven and predictive human resource analytics. So companies now mostly they are using data to predict problems before they happen. For example, if we see absenteeism which increase in one department, or if turnover rates spike, and the data will help us to see the pattern.
Yeah, like a warning system.
Yeah, exactly. Instead of reacting when it's too late, we can take action earlier. It also improves us to negotiate because decisions are based on real evidence instead of we guess.
That would really help us to avoid a future misunderstandings.
Yeah, exactly. This is because it makes the world industrial relation process more accurate and more strategic.
So the big question is, how do we apply all this to our company?
Okay, first, we definitely need better communication channels. So maybe like a digital suggestion box.
Or a mobile apps for internal feedback. Nothing too complicated. Something simple but accessible.
Yeah, I like that.
We should also update our grievance procedure and make sure everyone knows it. A lot of staff still didn't know who to talk to when they have a problem.
True. And maybe we can run monthly check-in with teams to keep our communication open.
Okay, on my side, I can start building an human resource analytics dashboard to track turnover, absenteeism, complaints, and engagement levels.
Great idea that will help us identify risk earlier. Okay, alright, I think we've covered everything. What IR is, why it matters, the benefit, the new trends, and how we can apply them. Industrial relation is key to building a fair, peaceful, and productive workplace. And with digital tools, multiple communication channels, and data analytics, we can definitely improve our employee trust and boost our company performance.
Yes, I agree. This was a good discussion.
Yes, I feel like we have a clearer direction now.
same year, I'm really excited to get started.
Great, thanks everyone. Let's work together to put this idea into the action.
Yay!